Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making Gajar ka Halwa. The Gajar ka Halwa was first introduced during the Mughal period and the name originates from the Arabic word halwa. It means pudding or halwa of carrots. Take a look at the simple ingredients needed to make the dish. So let's take 600 grams of carrots. First clean them by cutting the top and bottom part, then peel it properly. When they are cleaned, grate the carrots with a grater or a food processor. Try not to boil the whole carrots and mash it as it will never bring the authentic taste of the original Gajar ka Halwa. Wash and dry 100 grams of each cashew and raisins. Now in a fresh pan add 1 tablespoon of ghee and fry the raisins and keep them aside. Similarly again add another tablespoon of ghee and fry the cashews after the raisins and again keep them aside. In the same wok, add a little more ghee and then add the grated carrots. While we are adding the carrots, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Add a pinch of salt and mix it well on medium flame. Then cover and cook the carrots for 10 minutes on medium flame. On the other side, keep 500 ml of full cream milk ready and start adding it to the carrots in 2 batches. Make sure the carrots are dipped in the milk and let it boil. When the milk dries up a little, add the remaining milk as well. Cardamoms will bring a lovely flavor to your recipe. Now add 3 to 4 small cardamoms and mix it well. Let's add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can alter the amount of sugar as per your taste. Take 150 grams of grated khoya kheer or mewa and add it to the carrots. Give it a very good mix and let it keep boiling. The halwa is becoming thick now as the milk is dry. At this point add the cashews and store the raisins as we will add it towards the end. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it all well and add the raisins now as the milk is almost dry. See, our Gajar ka Halwa is absolutely ready. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.